Hello everyone, this is Raja here, and in today's video we are going to discuss about one of the most popular plugin in WordPress, and that is WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a very powerful plugin and it can help you convert your WordPress website seamlessly into an e-commerce website, and you can then sell anything on your WordPress website, right from selling your stuffs, your clothes, or you can have you set up your own stores. You can sell your own paintings, you can sell your books, you can sell your products, whatever you want, and you can manage your product also, you can scale it up, scale it down. You can always have a different product incoming for you, and you can they will always be be you will be able to put it on your WordPress website, and like you will be able to do inventory management. You will be able to keep stocks. You will be able to accept payment from your customers directly in your bank accounts or through credit or debit cards, and various other features. So basically, in a single sentence, WooCommerce is the free e-commerce plugin that allows you to sell anything beautifully. So it seamlessly integrates with WordPress, and you can see it has more than 4 million active installs, and it is very liked. It has 4.5 stars, and uh, if you see, it powers most of the e-commerce site in the internet. So it is one of the best solution currently available. You can accept your payment through various ways from the customers. You can have PayPal payment, or you can have Stripe payment. You can have various other payment options like authorized net or any other payment option. You can integrate with them. It has 140 region specific gateway integrate with WooCommerce, and you have all the control of your site. So it's a very nice feature to work with WooCommerce if you are trying to sell your product. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what are the terminologies and how to set up your WooCommerce website. So I have been creating a couple of e-commerce, how to create e-commerce website previously. So if you want to do a step-by-step check on how to do create a e-commerce website, you can always refer to this video or another shorter video which is here. But in this video particularly, I will tell you totally about WooCommerce, uh, like uh, uh, like uh, how you can like go to WooCommerce, and uh, how you can add your products, or how you can do various setting in your WooCommerce product page, how you can manage orders, how you can manage coupons, what are report, what are settings, and in product, what are all kind of products you have, how you can add new product, what are various categories, tags, and attributes. So this is a whole set of tutorial specially dedicated to WooCommerce. And if you are not acquainted with all the terminologies of WooCommerce, you can go ahead with this tutorial, and you can learn all the terminologies which are related to WooCommerce, and you can set up your own website, WooCommerce e-commerce website. uh, to start with, let's go on with how to install WooCommerce. So there are two ways to do it. One is basically you can have any theme installed on your WordPress website, and then that theme should be compatible with WooCommerce, and then you can go into this plugins, and in plugin you can go to install plugin, and you can select add new, and from there you can here you have the add new option, and from there you can install WooCommerce, and you can activate it. Or you can have another options like importing in pre-built e-commerce website and do the customization. So basically, if you see these two videos of mine, it basically tells you how you can do the customization from website which is already inbuilt, and like it comes clubbed with this WooCommerce plugin. So whenever you will import this template, WooCommerce will be imported, and these two tabs will be there for you present in your dashboard. So after it is there, after you have imported it or you have imported WooCommerce, you will get these options. From I'll suggest to start with a pre-built e-commerce template, and do your research, do your hit and trial, and it would be best if you want to set up your e-commerce website, do it a few times on your local system, local computer, and you can do everything for free, because this WooCommerce plugin is free. And if you are doing up installing a pre-built template from Astra, you also have this one free. The one site which I am showing is totally a free theme. It's a free plugin, and all the details which I am using here to show this tutorial is for free. So you can basically refer to this video of mine and see how I have imported this site. After you come to this section, you need to go to WooCommerce and do your basic shop setup first. So for that, you need to come to this option called settings. So it is basically you need to let WooCommerce know that what is your shop all about, what is your shop address, where is it located, what kind of payment option you are accepting, and what are the product, what is the shipping payment options, and what are the restriction or settings you want to have, especially specifically for your shop or e-commerce website. So you have a set of tabs here, which is in general you can have, you will have to mention your address details of your shop, your city, state, zip code, then your selling location where you want to sell, and from where you are selling and from which location you want to sell, and what is the shipping location. You can enable taxes. So this is one of the great feature of WooCommerce, like it is integratable with many of the countries tax details, and it will automatically get pre-populated if you include the tax, and if you don't enable it, it will show the prices excluding the tax details. Then comes the coupon option. The coupon option is basically is to promote your website, so you can have some offers and discounts for your customers who are loyal to you, or you can have introductory offer or discount for the newcomers, and you can treat them with these discounts, and so that they love what they found from your e-commerce website. After you do all these, you need to set up the currency option. Currently this is showing in pound. You can have dollar or any other currency, and you can change the alignment of the currency position, and these you can select these thousand separators whichever you want. These are the basically default settings. In this page, basically I think you need to put in the address details, and the countries from where or to where you want to sell to. You should, I think you should enable coupons, and I think you need to select currency over here. So this is the basic setting that you need to do in the general part. Then you need to come into product part. Product tab, basically you need to explain what is your shop page. So if you are importing this pre-build Astra theme e-commerce site, then you have a shop page built in here, and this shop page looks amazing, and it looks something like this. Let me show you. Yeah, this is your shop page basically, and it's divided in these two sections here. In the above you have this menu where you have this cart, where it is neatly displaying all the products that are in my cart and what is the total amount. And here it is, what are the product that are available in my stores, name of the product, the category of the product. A category is basically the classification in which we put this product into. Like suppose this is a woman's jeans, and I put it in a woman's category, and this is suppose a bracelet, and I put it in an accessories category. So it basically allows me to classify different product, and later these through this classification my customers can basically go and search for the product which they want. If they are interested in women product, they can select women categories, and they can go and search women category product. And if they are selected in men category product, they can select men category and search for men category product. So basically this allows them with extra handler to search for the product which they want. Like over that, like if you come to home, like in stores, sorry, then you can sort the product through popularity, average rating, latest, and by prices, high to low and low to high, whichever is like suitable to you. And you can see like which product suits your need, and accordingly you can buy that product. On the left hand side, we have a search bar where you can search various product. Like if I want to search say this product only, so say suppose I want to search a bracelet. So let me copy this and paste it here. So this will show me what are the bracelet that are here in my stores, and I can see all this like product which have a bracelet in their product name, and accordingly I can like select that one which I like, and I can add it to cart. So this is a very nice feature. After that, we have this bestseller section in which we can like highlight all the best selling product which are like which are very popular. And then you have browse to category, which I already told you. Like you can classify product on the basis of category, and accordingly like people can browse it. Then you have nice filter section in which you can buy the product based upon the price. So if I filter product from 140 to $150, only those product will be shown to me. And if I like uh, 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 filter for product which is up to 120 pound, then this will be shown to me. So so you see you can have a lot of customization here in this page. And if you like have a theme in which you need to build your shop page, so these all settings or the changes you need to do from scratch. But if you select Astra, and you see the pre-built themes from Astra, and then these all comes like inbuilt to you, and these are all very good looking features. So if you see the store page, it looks really fine, and if you go to the product pages, they are also very nice, and they looks very beautiful. You can select your store page here, and you can have these behavioral settings, like whenever you add a product to the cart, it won't refresh and stuffs like that. And you can have these weights for your weight or dimension units set up depending upon which location you are in, and upon that which shipping is applicable to you. These are the options, and you can enable review, and you can enable product rating. So review you can have like from customers who are your customers, or you can have reviews from your guest also. And like product ratings, similarly you can enable star rating on reviews, and it is required, not optional. You can have these kind of options too. So depending upon like what kind of settings you want, you can tweak them. You can come to inventory. So inventory is another good option for WooCommerce. Like it gives you the ability to manage the stocks of your product. Like if you are selling 10 jeans, so you can manage the 10 number in your product, and as soon as people keep on buying your product number will be decremented from your stock details. And whenever like it will go to a lower threshold, like suppose there are two more pieces of jeans left in your inventory, then you will be notified stating that you are low on stock and you probably need to refill your product. And this is a very great feature which will allow you to check back with your store and quickly refill the product which is selling very quickly. And you can meet the customer demand, and that will enable you to get higher customer satisfaction. So you can have this notification email address set up. You can have this low stock threshold, you can set to 5 or set to whatever you want and however you want. You can have this out of stock visibility enabled for the customers, to show that in the main page you have. Then the downloadable product, so this basically is applicable for product if you are selling any intangible product, like not a jeans, or not a physical book, but suppose you say a ebook, or suppose you say a music album. So these kind of product are there, and you can have these forced downloads methods you can set up. You can redirect it to some site, and you can have XSS redirect, or X send file redirects done for these kind of options. Uh, then you have the shipping option. Shipping is basically like for the tangible products which you ship from one place to another place. You can add these shipping zones. In this shipping zones, you can add basically the place and the region of your shipping, and then you can add a shipping method. There are three shipping method supported, like flat rate, free shipping, and local pickup. You can add more shipping methods and customize it accordingly to your need. You can add a shipping option, you can have calculation done on the cart page, like people can see like how much the cost goes up with the shipping included or without shipping, what is the cost, and based upon the destination how shipping differs, things like that. Shipping destination, you can have these billing addresses like tweaked over here, like people can have two different billing and shipping addresses. All these tweaks can be done here. You can have your shipping class here. You can add a customized shipping class for yourself. Then you have the payment option. Basically, the payment option is how you take payment from your customers. So there are four inbuilt ways, like you can have direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, and PayPal. So first three are the offline payment method, and the last one, PayPal, is the online payment method. So basically, in the first three method, you take the money from the customer and you wait for them to being converted into cash or your account balance, and then till then that time you keep your order on hold. And then finally when they are done, like you give them back, like you provide them the deliver them the product. And in PayPal, it's basically it happens when a customer orders, they basically can pay through their PayPal account, or they can pay through their credit and debit card also. So basically you can manage all the details here in PayPal. So what PayPal address you have, like what is the PayPal email, so that the money directly goes in your PayPal account. And all this information related to PayPal, you can put it over here. So if you don't like these options, like you want to go with another payment gateway option, you can always check the payment gateway option at your local area, which is very much popular. And you can go to them, and you can submit all your store information to them, like what is your website, and what kind of product are you selling, and what is your tax details. And after they check in your product store information, they will create a payment, create an account for you, and then they will provide you a plugin which is also integratable with WooCommerce. You just need to mention that you are using WooCommerce as a technology platform for your website, and as soon as they give you, you can integrate it as a plugin, and then it will again show up down here, and you can start accepting payment from that payment option also. So basically, there are options like Stripe, from which you can directly accept payment from your customer from credit and debit card. But Stripe, like if you are in India, Stripe is not very much popular. You can go with other payment options Paytm. Also, like you need to have provide your details to Paytm, and they will then check and approve those details. And after they do that, they will give you a plugin to have this installed in your website, and then through that you can accept the payment. So after the payment, you have another tab called account and privacy, in which you can maintain various privacy and account details. Here you can basically allow or restrict users and guests to check out without logging in, or with logging in, or you can force them to create an account depending upon your needs. Like if you want to retain users information, like you can have force them to create account before they want to check out. You can tweak your privacy policy details here. You can keep these personal data retention policies you can like configure over here. You have the email address in this tab. Email address is basically what kind of notification will go to you whenever there will be different kind of triggers, like a new order is there, a cancelled order, or a failed order is there, or a order is on hold, or a order is processing, or completed, refunded. How the customer will be notified? Like what will be the like if you click on the manager, what will be the email heading and the subject heading. So these are all like configurable or changeable depending upon what you want. You can always check them, like what are they sending, and then you can put in your store details on this email subjects also. Sorry, as a part of customization. And um, these options can be done from here. You can put all the sender option here, header, footer. You can manage so that your email can look good. You can change the base color and the background color and the body color. All these details you can do, all the changes you can make over here. And you also have this advanced tab over here where you have the cart page, checkout page, account page. So basically all these pages are coming in built with your Astra theme, which I said. So these are already pre-selected if you are selecting it. With WooCommerce also it is already pre-selected, but the way it is being shown or the design that may differ a bit. So you can go with this Astra theme and see their pages. They are very much more nicely built. You can have these endpoints, and you can check out endpoints configured for various details that you want. And that's it from this WooCommerce setting tabs. Let's move to the next tab, which is the orders tab. So the orders tab basically allows you to um manage all your orders that is received in your e-commerce website. And you can place you can change the status of the order. Like you can make it completed or on hold or processing, depending upon how you are getting the payment from the customers. If it is an online payment already done, you can make it a processing pay. And then when the order is delivered to the customer, you can change it to completed. If suppose you are like having an offline payment, you can keep the payment the delivery on hold till the time your payment is not received. And after it is received, you can go on with the delivery. Sorry. You can there can be situations when a customer have cancelled the order. Under those situations, you can put the cancellation status on your order. So let's see how order will look like. if someone is placed an order, it will be like this, and it will be in processing state, uh, like this. And after processing state, you need to see like payment will be made upon delivery, and the order status is changed to pending payment to processing. So basically, customer probably selected cash on delivery option. This is like this, and whenever you take the product and go to the customer's place, and he accepts the product and give you the cash, you can change the status down here to change the status down here from processing to completed, and there you can have the setting configured, and as soon as you do that, in the orders, it is status will be completed. So this will look very good down here. So this is how you can check all the details, like all the orders that you have received, and from which people, and if you click on the orders, you can get all the details of the person, like his billing address, information like email address and his phone number, and your delivery executive can connect to the customer on these phone numbers, and you also get this how this customer, what this customer was a guest, or he already has an account, at what time he made a payment, or what time he what mode he did a payment, and what is his customer IP and stuffs like that. So so this gives you the basically the back end of how you can manage all the orders from the back end. So after someone places any order, you can get all these details down here, and you can make those changes. So if you want me to show you, suppose these are the product I want to buy you, and I proceed to checkout, and suppose I just filled in some demo details, and 21 Rose Street, suppose some demo details I put in here, suppose something suppose these are the demo details, and suppose I want to pay by cash on delivery, and I want to place an order, and yes, you see, I have placed an order, and on the customer front end, I got this option like thank you for your order, and your order number is this, and your order date is this, and your total amount that you need to pay on cash on delivery is 455 pound, and these are all the products that you will be getting, and this is all the billing address and all the details. So if I go to the back end, in orders, I see just 1 minute ago I received one order and it is in processing state. And if I click on this one, see a payment via cash on delivery, and the customer IP is one, since I'm doing it on my local host. Since it's the same local host address, but here you will basically get the detail of what customer is what customer IP is from who, where he is like reporting to, and then you can get the details of all the product that customer, and the quantity for which the customer has asked for you to send you the product, and then you can get the total amount of the of your product, and basically then you can choose an action. You can basically send your delivery executive with all this product, and after he give the product to the customer, and customer complete the payment, you can make this processing to completed, and you can update the status, and you can again come back to the orders, and you can see 2 minutes ago this came and the order is now completed since you have delivered the product and you have got the payment through cash on delivery. Very unreal, huh? So this is how it is done. So you can take online payments through PayPal also. If you want to, suppose I went into man stores and I want to uh, mm, add this product, I added in the cart, and after I added in the cart, I can here from here I can do the checkout also. uh, I had my details pre-populated down here and I want to pay through PayPal, and I proceed to pay through PayPal, and it will ask me the details to be okay. So probably this PayPal setting is not done correctly, so it is not redirecting to the PayPal site of mine. Let me give my actual PayPal account details here and then see how it goes. So for that, you have in the payment option, you need to come in PayPal, you need to say manage, and then I need to give my PayPal email address. Yeah, after I give my email address, basically I can save the changes, and after I save the changes, let me visit my site again, and after I'm in the site, let's see, let me buy this shoes, add this to cart and view cart, and let me buy these two product and let proceed to checkout. And after I have all these details already pre-populated since I'm using the same computer, and then let's proceed to PayPal and let's see how it goes now. Okay, now it is saying me this is the total details of the amount I need to pay, and I can log in with my PayPal account to do this payment, or I can pay with credit and debit card. Uh, if I click here, it will redirect me to a secure link. You can see here is the secure PayPal link, and here it is asking for the credit and debit card detail. I can change my country and I can put my credit and debit card details with billing address and stuffs like that, and all my product will be all my payment will be done and all my product will be delivered to me accordingly. So I hope this is clear to you, like how to complete orders and how to do payments from the front end, and how to configure the payment options. We are done with orders, we are done with setting. These are the most two important features. Then we have one option called coupon option, which we already discussed, through which we can have our customers give various value added solutions, we have 10% 15% discount on their product. So they like our e-commerce site, and they become loyal to us. You can set the date of your offer, uh, up to which day you want to have this offer available. You can extend it also. You can have usage restriction, like you can have a minimum maximum cart value you can set, or like minimum maximum spending on which this coupon is applied, or you can like keep it blank to ensure like it is for all. You can have this usage limit, people can use it once or twice, or depending upon like they can use it once or limit item in the cart. So these are the restrictions, like you can put in all the coupons accordingly, for which item you want to like put the coupons or which you want to exclude. These restrictions you can put in, like you have this product for which you can have, like if I want to put this coupon for only jeans, I can search for jeans and I can have a basic blue jeans a product only for this coupon. So these are the things you can do. You can include product, exclude product. You can exclude a category altogether. Like you can have a discount on a men's product only, or discount on women's product only, things like that. So this was all about coupons. So if I come to WooCommerce here, like we have completed orders, we have completed coupons, we have completed settings. Status is basically the status of your WooCommerce installation, which tells you that all the endpoints are correctly configured or not, and it gives you a list of all the details, that what is your time limits and size and stuffs like that. So it is basically of not that much of importance for owner, but just you can keep a look into it to see that where are your loopholes are. Like the HTTPS is not enabled down here because I am doing this for tutorial purpose and doing it on my laptop. But if you are having a e-commerce site, it is very important to have your sites communicating through HTTPS and not through HTTP. You see here it is saying not secured because it is using HTTP, and in HTTPS is basically all the traffics that are done from your site is basically encrypted. So you can have all the information encrypted, and the chances of hacking is less. So here again you can see like my terms and condition page is not set, so it is also showing that option. So the status page is for that. You can check how your WooCommerce is configured and how it is functioning. Extension is basically WooCommerce have some deals which they say like they offer subscriptions, bookings, memberships, and they charge money for that. Please note that WooCommerce is free, but if you want to sell membership, or you want to sell subscription, and you want to take these offerings from them, then you need to pay for that. But if you want to do your own stuff, create your own services, you can do it fine with WooCommerce. If you want to sell your own product, you are fine with WooCommerce. So basically, these all have all the settings there. So yeah, as I was saying that there are all payment option, Stripe, Amazon Pay, PayPal, and authorized net. So whichever is better with your area, you can go with that. You have also the shipping options like FedEx and stuff like that. There are a whole lot of information given here, and you can do lot of extension on your WooCommerce to ensure that your e-commerce website excels in all the matters, and you get to have all the details that you want. You have these all shipping companies like postal services, so that they can have you have the shipping method, so that you can have your shipping method integrated with your system, and all the calculation and everything is done directly whenever the user will be checking out at the checkout page. So this is basically the WooCommerce details for each tabs, and let's come to the product tab now. Product, if you've got all product, add new product, categories, tags and attributes. So basically in all product you get to see all the product that are in their your in stores. You can select any of the product, and you can see all the details like what is the product title and what is the product description. You can change any of the description when you want. You can change the category of the product depending upon which category it is lying in. I already said if it is a jeans, if it is a men's jeans and it is in men's category, then it's like a broader category. Like you can have all men's shirt, or men's trousers and men's jeans in one category, like men, and you have the same for women. So This allow you to people to come into your site and select from exclusively for men's clothing or women's clothing. Similarly, you can have different categories for different areas. Suppose you want to have you have a e-commerce website for electronics, and you have a specific category for laptops, or you have a specific category for cameras. So these categories you can define, and you can enlist all the cameras or all the laptop in those categories. And this can itself be in a broader category called electronics. So this is how you can put things in buckets, and you can have people reach out to your product very easily. This is the product data page, the most important product page. Is this one here. You can see this is a simple product. So there are four types of product. There's a simple product, group product, external and affiliate product, and variable product. So basically, I'll go one by one, which product is of what type. So a simple product is a product in which there are no variations, and suppose this is a shoe, right? Right. So suppose this actually is a variable product, but let's see on some other product which can be a simple product in true sense, that we can talk about. Let's see. Okay, this bracelet we can see. This bracelet is a simple product because there is no variation in this bracelet. So this bracelet is coming as it is, and like if you have a price for it and you have a sales price for it. So if you don't decide to the product on sale, then it's fine. But if you want to put it on sale, like you can have your sale price decided here, and you can schedule it also. Like if I want to sell it for 145 pound, and I can schedule the sale, and I can schedule it from today to say 1 week. I can do that, and I can, if I update it, like if I see the product now, uh, without update, it will look like this. And if I update this product, and I see it, you see the sale price is 150 pound is showing striked off, and it is showing 145 pound here. So this is how I can show the customer that this is the actual price, and now boss, you can get it in 5 pound less. So this will be a very nice tool to attract your customers to your product, and sell them more products. So you can use this um, like product sale category. And there are other options down here, like you have inventory, which we basically talked about. In inventory, you have a universal SKU, like stock keeping unit. In this stock keeping unit, you can have basically a code for a particular product, stating that which stock this product belong to, or if it is a branded product, you already have a inbuilt SKU for that product, or you can have your own SKU also. You can enable the manage stock for this product. Like you can always keep it as in stock if it is available in abundance to you. But if you are if you are something like you are bringing things from someone, like if we are getting 10 pieces of this bracelet for some people, and then we are selling it to the people, then we need to tell the audience, tell the customers, like we have only 10 of them, and after these are out of stock, we don't allow them to buy from our store. We can also have option to go to let them go ahead and place their order, which is called uh, um, allow the back orders. Then the customer will be allowed to place their order, but this is not suggested, because suppose if you are not able to like fulfill their requirement, then it will result in customer dissatisfaction. So it is advisable to ensure that you already have the product to in nearby, so that you can very quickly provide it to your customers. In those scenarios only you can put this detail to your um, customer. So then you can have a shipping option. Shipping option basically gives you the details of what is the um, shipping option that is here um, in your product, and it's a weight or dimension on what shipping class you are sending your product. uh, and you already can define this shipping class here in WooCommerce settings. And uh, if you have come in the settings, we have discussed about it. You can have the shipping zone and shipping classes defined here, and that shipping option will be showing here in your product details. Let me go back to what I was showing. Yeah. So in this shipping option, you can always give in the shipping class and all the details which you have. So, so after you are done with this shipping option, you have this link product option, which you can use for upsell and cross sell. So basically, this link product option is basically gives you the option to upsell a product or a cross sell a product. So upsell basically means suppose if I view this product currently, suppose I want to edit this product now. If I view this product, let me preview it again. If I view this product currently, you see it gives me the related product. So if I see the linked product, here if I add any more accessories, like any more bracelets here, like boho bangle bracelet, I want to add as a upsell. So if I update it over here, um, and I refresh the site, you can see this option coming on. You may also like this bracelet. So basically, there was not an option before, but as soon as I did that, you had this option of having upsell, and you also can have a cross sell here. Cross sell basically is upsell basically is when you are taking a look at the product, you can see similar product, you can show similar product to the customers. But cross sell is basically when you are actually uh, uh, going to check out that product, then you can have that product in the checkout page. So if I put it in cross sell and I update it, and then I go back in this page, I refresh it, and from here I just add it in my cart, and I view the cart. In the cart page, you will see that I will get this option here, which is cross selling at the cart page. So basically, cross sell basically, you can take a reference of various stores you have ever visited. Like when you are about to check out at the checkout counter, you get a lot of stuffs piled upon near the store, and these are various utility items which you may think at last moment that okay, I think I should have taken this, or I should have taken that, and okay, this one looks good, and a customer can take those kind of product, and finally it can help you attend more sale of on that product. So you can have those kind of upsell cross sell configured for you. That's a good option for you. And uh, let's comes to after link product you have attributes. So for simple product you can have attributes like one attribute like a color, what is the color of the product, or what is like the size of the product. You can have these kind of attributes. And you have this purchase note option, which is on which you can basically write anything like any option or any details to the customer, or you can enable or disable a review of this product also. So these are the options for simple product. And next is a variable product. Let's see if I find a variable product for you. I think this is a variable product. Yeah. So this is a variable product I have created. So variable product basically means a product which is available in a lot of variations. So if I preview this product, if I preview this product, you see this when I need to buy when I come to this product page, the add to cart is disabled. I basically need to choose a color, and I basically need to choose a size. Only after that it will give me the available product in stock, and then I can add it to cart. If I choose another size, it had 10 in stock. If I choose another size, it has 12 in stock. So depending upon the color and the size, everything is varying in this product page. So basically this is called a variable product. So for variable product, you just need to select variable product here. You get another option called variation down here. um, Inventory, you can keep it as it is. The shipping depends upon your variable product, similar to your simple product. So it is the same. I'm not discussing that. Link product, you can upsell and cross sell again also in this variable product. Also you can put different genes down here. Attributes is basically like you need to add these attributes here, what are the colors that I have put in over here. So I have only one blue color jeans over here, and but it is available in different sizes. So I have three sizes I have here. So after I did that, I went into variation. So here is the important step. Like after you select these attributes, you need to click on used for variation. So visible on product page and used for variation, these both should be enabled. After that I need to come on this variation tab, and then I need to add variation and go. When I say add variation, these three variation will come accordingly. So these three variation will say that I have three product, all of them are blue but of different sizes like 32, 34, 36. And these product I need to enable them and do the manage stocking from them. Click on manage stock and allow keep the stock price for them, also the regular price for the product. Same I need to do for both the other sizes as well. I need to put uh, the value on the stock, and again put the value on all the three products. So after I do that, it is basically ready for me as a variable product, and this is the end product I can see here. I can select it and accordingly, and I can add it to cart depending upon what I need. So so this is how it is done. Next option you have is you go to all product, you can have a add new. Then you have a group product. Group product is basically having a product which is um, of same type, but of different categories. If you have a say a USB, you have suppose uh, you have a memory card. A memory card you have, it can come in 16 GB RAM, or it can come in 32 GB, 16 GB of memory, or 32 GB of memory. So this memory card you can use for different for different memory units. Its like price will differ, so accordingly you can configure that, and you can have it set to this attribute. You need to add a new attribute. For adding new attribute, you need to go in this attribute section, and you need to select the attribute, and after you add the attribute, you basically get the attribute down here. So that you can do. In advanced section, you can have this like menu orders and enable that is the same thing in which you find here. So after this group product, you have another product called external or affiliate product. So it is basically adding another product link to the URL, and if suppose I go to Amazon or Flipkart or something, uh, some site, and I have their product down here, their URL down here. Let me do that. Let me have Amazon. Let me have an Amazon.in product, and suppose anything, like suppose this one. Uh, Suppose this is the product, and this is the URL. So I copy it, and I put it here. Okay, and then I give it external product, and I publish it, and then I preview the changes. So this is my external product. You see, I don't have any image here, so it just gives me a buy product link, and when I click on it, it is taking me to the same page from where I got this product. So basically, you can use this to have some affiliate link product. You can have you can earn commission through it. So basically, Amazon and Flipkart enables you to add various affiliates on your bucket. You can have them sell a different product, and when you sell different product, you can have commission on those products. So like if you that you this is a $10 product, you can sell them in $12. You can also use this for drop shipping also. So this is a very nice feature if you are having an affiliate or a drop shipping site, which you can utilize very easily. So you can change this button text from buy product or to anything, like go to the affiliate website or something like that. Go to the Amazon website, something like that, or if you have different buttons for different um, products, and again you can have you can schedule it. So there are a lot of options and customization you can do it over here depending upon your need. This is just an explanation, like what are these all about, and depending upon your need, you can tweak the informations, and you can see how the final product will look like when you preview changes. So the next is a category section. I already said this category section, various categories that is very self-explanatory. Like men's category contains men product, accessories contains accessories, women category contains women's product. Basically buckets where we put all our product, and it's help us to manage these products, and also for the customer to easily search these products. Then you have tags and attributes. These are basically to help them slug this product, search this product, and user friendly tags will be there. So Then we have attribute. We already dealt with color and size attribute, so you can define new attributes depending upon your product. And again, these attributes you can use for creating your group product or variable product accordingly. So that's all about the WooCommerce plugin, and I think I have been able to cover all the details. But if I missed out something, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to try to answer to your queries in there. And also, if you want me to create another video for any specific topic, please let me know down there, so I will be creating the videos for that also. So let me know how you like this video. Like, if you feel that this is a good video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing this channel. We will again meet till the next time. Till then, bye bye and have a good time.